As I got going, that method is for the birds. So what I decided to do is, because I have longer fingernails, I just grab a pinch and I'm just dropping them in. It is a lot easier. I can kind of see what I'm doing here. And it's okay, because once they germinate, we're gonna prick them out of here and put them in bigger cells anyway. We just want to get them germinated. I'm just keeping my hands low to the soil, just not to get them to fall into a different cell. Okay, next is the Chantercedo apricot stalk, and those seeds are quite a little bit bigger than the snapdragon ones, so I'm going to go back to my dipping method. Okay, there's 2 in there, and we'll get those done. Alright, we're just going to use the back end of this and just kind of pat these down just a little bit. And I actually got 3 in each cell. Onto the porcupine calendula. These are some pretty cool little seeds. Alright, let's get those pushed down. That was easy. Let's push them down a little bit. Alright, so we push those down. Now I'm just going to kind of just be gentle and tamp them down just to make contact with the seeds in the soil. Okay, now that I have that done, I just wanted, if I forgot to tell anybody, I filled up this tray with some Jiffy seed starting mix. It is slit down the middle. I wanted to be able to put some cling wrap on top of any of my snapdragons, because they need light to germinate, but they do not like it hot. So also do not push the seeds down, just kind of press them into the seed starting mix. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lightly cover it with vermiculite instead of soil, so the light can get down in there. It also will help retain moisture, because snapdragon seeds do not like to dry out. That's why I'm going to put some extra cling wrap on top. And then because these domes just never sit on very well, so I just don't want any moisture to get out. And then over here, the porcupine calendula and the stalk, those seeds were pushed down under the soil and then lightly covered up. And the same thing, I'm just going to add some vermiculite just to hold on to some moisture while they germinate. Next, we're just going to water them in, and very gently. Okay, cling seal is on. Just and I used a little bit of warmer water just to help lock in a little bit of heat here before I put the cling wrap on. I want to make sure that they stay nice and moist. And we're going to put this lid on, because I'm going to put them on the bottom here. So like I said before, snapdragons like it cooler, but they do need light to germinate. So I'm putting this on my lower shelf just because it's a lot cooler down here. And we'll check back on this here as the days and weeks go by. And that's all we needed to do.